pistachio falafel with a cardamom yogurt sauce.
Ooh.
Smell it.
Okay, we're gonna use about 2/3 of a cup of these pistachios. I'm gonna put them in here. I've been eating these my whole life, and they're one of my favorites. These are chickpeas that have been soaked overnight. They're absolutely raw, so don't pop them in your mouth right now. And this is what they look like, dried chickpeas. And I know it's a little bit more work, but it's so worth it, I think. You know, can's great, but I love these. We're gonna take some water, and this is what you do the night before. Just put them like that, put them in the fridge, let them sit overnight, okay? And that's what you have when you drain them. So we're gonna put these chickpeas in with the pistachios.
You don't cook them at all.
No,
Really?
Wow.
Bold.
bold. Onion,
Wow.
What?
garlic,
You learn something every day.
Because the canned
cardamom,
chickpeas are cooked.
Wait, what's
ground-
that, cardamom?
cardamom, ground cumin, baking soda, which helps break down the chickpea, fresh parsley, fresh mint, and extra virgin olive oil. And then a very generous amount of salt and pepper. So a good amount of salt and some pepper. Salt right here. And we're
I
just
always
gonna,
love mint.
oh,
Fresh mint.
even when it gets on your hands, it's a fantastic smell.
Especially with the cumin and the cardamom.
Oh, I think I did it.
Hey, this guy, he's on fire.
Show off, right?
Show off.
I'm not showing off.
Put that food
I was
processor
waiting
bit
to.
on.
I thought I was going to struggle, but look how great that is. So you're going to get this to a consistency. Let's take a look at it. I like to scrape it down a couple times because there are like a few
Fingers.
wild birds here in this. But you see, you can see it's almost there. You want to have some toothsome quality to it. You don't want it to have too much of a puree. And I got to tell you, it's so easy and fun to make this.
I love the green color you're getting.
Okay, one more scrape down. And I'm going to get a pan here. I'm going to heat up my pan in the meantime. And let's see what that looks like, right?
What are we looking for? Like almost like a
It's got to be
tacky?
able to just come together. You know, you don't want it to. I think this is really good, actually. I'm gonna proceed. Yep, I am. So I'm gonna put this aside. You could put this in a bowl and work from a bowl, but why dirty a bowl?
Is this gluten-free?
This is gluten-free.
And it's vegan, right?
And it's vegan.
Except for the yogurt sauce.
How about that? So you can put them in your hand like this, make little balls. I just press it once. That's it. They're very delicate, so just you don't have to work them too much.
I mean, the more tender they'll be, the less you work them, right?
Yep, just like that. Oh, so good. And I have the oven on just in case when you have guests over, I have the oven on 200. And when I make them just before they come, I just pop them in a rack, a sheet pan with a cake rack on it, just to keep them warm, because they're great when warm, you know? Mm-hmm. So perfect.
Can you make like a pistachio mint falafel burger with this?
Ooh.
Oh,
Sliders?
wow, love this.
Yeah.
Love that idea. Going in with a little olive oil. And as I make them, I actually like to cook them as I make them, just because something else to do, you don't waste any time. Just put them here in a non-stick pan, extra virgin olive oil, medium heat. You don't want to kill it. You want to get a nice crust on it on the outside. Then you get that dark green, verdant crust. It's beautiful.
I love the patty application, too, the patty shape.
Nothing wrong with deep frying. I want to demystify deep frying. Deep frying, you know, is fantastic if it's quick, oil is clean, and you don't use it all the time. But this is such an easy way to do it. Why not just do it like that?
I kind of want to make falafel kebabs with this now.
Okay, time for the sauce. Oh, gotta have a sauce. You need a dipping sauce. It asks for a sauce. And it always asks for yogurt. So into the yogurt, we're gonna put more pistachio, this time ground.
Ooh, double stash.
Double stash, lemon juice, lemon zest, cardamom.
Cardamom's one of my favorite spices, and it's something that you hardly ever have.
Underappreciated cardamom. Garlic and tahini.
Oh,
I
yeah.
knew it.
There's the good stuff.
That's the best.
That's your sauce. Very easy, right? Now I'm watching my falafel over there, my pistachio falafel. I want to make sure that they're not burning. Let's go see what they look like.
When I think of cardamom, I think of something really floral, almost like, you know, coriander plus a bouquet of edible flowers.
Yes.
Plus a pinch of cinnamon.
They're starting to get a nice color. You see that nice, beautiful color? Almost. We're gonna wait for.
Look at that crust on there, buddy. That looks
crust.
great.
Okay, our sauce is ready. So what I like to do is a little schmear.
Ooh.
Or push. And you really have to use this. This sauce needs to be used. This is not dainty. This is like, when you grab it, it's so delicious. I've got a few more in the oven here.
I think this is a great recipe for kids.
Oh, yeah.
And
you know.
accidentally vegan, vegetarian, so they're not even realizing.
Exactly.
Oh, look at
beautiful.
those.
So they're little,
yeah.
they are like little sliders, right?
Yeah, you're so fancy and
I'm
yet
not-
so
I'm gonna
easy.
use my hands because I'm gonna eat them myself.
These would be great too. They sell the mini pitas now, and you put a little mini pocket. Ooh.
So I'm just gonna arrange them like that. I'm gonna put some fresh pomegranates, which are one of the most fantastic things ever.
This is so pretty too, the green and the red.
I love everything about this recipe.
Yeah.
Okay, and then just a few sprigs of mint. And that's really such a wonderful, wonderful appetizer. And I'm gonna try one here. I'm gonna make myself a little,
Wow,
a little
Gigi.
plop. Look at that.
I like how you're not being shy with the
No,
sauce.
right there. Pomegranates. And we're gonna go in. I'm gonna go in my hands.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a hand.
Unprecedented.
It's a hand. It's a hamburger.
You have an image to uphold.
Wow.
I hear you.
When you're
crunch.
making this, you're like, it can't taste that good. It can taste that good, and it does. The pistachios take this from average to like awesome. And there's nothing like the crunch of a pistachio